Hello and welcome to the Peej's workshop. It's doing a repair of the couple of cars I got at a train show recently. This one broke an antenna on there. One end of it didn't have a coupler. They're both connected permanently with this soldered thing. So I just made a coupler box, some super glue, some shaving, some filing. It came out alright. There they are. Fixed, new post, and a new wire for the antenna. Looks good. This one only needed the trucks adjusted just a little bit, keep it from falling off the track on a curve. Thank you for watching this episode of the Peej's Workshop. That's all for me for now. See ya!